In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the cheat menu mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the essential pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. First off here, right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Before that, backup with San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, drag and drop all these files inside. Replace the file in the destination and then go back, open the cheat menu, open the txt, open the cheat menu, password type mix mods and click on OK. Cheat menu, drag up these two files inside the game folder. Now scroll down and right click on this 14,000 KB, select show more options, send it to desktop create shortcut, launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, press Ctrl plus M key to open up this cheat menu. Now to test this cheat menu, I'm going with this vehicle spawn. Choose the vehicle you like. To close this cheat menu, press Ctrl plus M and now you can drive the car. And the cheat menu is working fine. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.